So what we understand about the Morbius film is that it's gone through a few different iterations since its original inception to the final version we're going to be getting on the big screen. Somewhere in there, we were all shocked to find out that they actually rehired the Iron Man writers to go through the entire film and fix it up. Let's talk about if this means anything. So when it comes to Morbius, the original writing team of course had their duties, and then somewhere down the road we didn't find out when they were replaced, but they were, and they brought on a pair of new writers. This happens to be Art Malcolm and Matt Holloway, and they've gotten a screenwriting, a writing credit, and what's important about them is the fact that they were actually ones that were credited with bringing Iron Man 1 to life. Now you have to take a step back and realize that Marvel Studios, again, had no involvement with Morbius, but the Sony writers specifically went after these two guys for Morbius to kick up the script in the direction that they wanted it to go in. And obviously, you know, since they're trying to backdoor themselves into the MCU, it makes a lot of sense that if you're gonna kick off a universe and try to make a character that not a lot of people know somewhat relevant, why not go to the people that really pulled it off better than anybody with Iron Man? So this makes a lot of sense. Now there is some speculation that maybe this was a part of some sort of agreement between Marvel Studios and of course Sony, but I don't think there's anything to that. I mean, if you look at the writing history of both of these guys, they've really been all over the place, and Iron Man just happens to be one of these. But clear as day, Sony saw something, and it's something that they wanted to capitalize on. What that is though, whether it's good or not, you know, remains to be seen. Obviously the jury's out till the film is out, but it gives me hope. You know, I love the Morbius trailer. I think it looks great, so hopefully they can give us the same type of energy and character development that they gave Iron Man. If they pull that off, I have no doubt that people are gonna love Morbius, and considering, to me at least, he's one of the most interesting comic characters when it comes to that whole Spider-Man side of villains, even though he's not really a Spider-Man villain, but that's completely different. I think hopefully, you know, this will work, and it gives us a good Morbius in live action.